Frozen shoulder is a condition characterized by thickening and stiffening of the shoulder joint capsule, leading to pain and severe loss of mobility. It affects approximately 2 to 5% of the general population, most commonly women between 40 and 60. Some of the causes are diabetes is a how crazy is that? Diabetes is a significant risk factor for frozen shoulder. That is a pretty crazy statement, right? Like, well, Doc, why are you talking about diabetes? We're talking about frozen shoulder. Yes, diabetes is a significant risk factor. Post-surgical immobilization or injury. So after your surgery, they put you in a sling. Sometimes you're left in that sling too long, and because you left into it too long, that shoulder becomes frozen. So years ago, they used to keep it mobilized a lot longer than they do now. Now they decrease the amount of time they want that shoulder in a sling, and they want some light motion and movement. They want light motion and movement because what they found is, we as people have gotten smarter over time. Well, I hope we get smarter over time. But what we found is that when you keep your arm locked into position over time, your body basically, you don't use it, you lose it. That sentiment is incredibly true for shoulder, especially after shoulder surgery. You have to get it moving. Listen to your doctor, listen to what they say. Be specific with that. So, frozen shoulder symptoms typically are progressed through 3 stages. Freezing stage, meaning pain and limited motion. Frozen stage means severe stiffness with less pain. And thawing stage means gradual return of mobility, but typically lasts months to years. Typical treatments: physical therapy for stretching and strengthening, corticosteroids, and obviously what I'm going to say is obviously the PRP and the regeneration. It is critical if you have frozen shoulder to get the motion in the joint. The more your muscles, ligaments, and tissues stay frozen, the harder and longer it is to recover. The faster you start, the faster you heal. And you do heal. I have people here all heal all the time.